Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Rashi. You only require Dagdha Rashi and you will be brilliant in predictions. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I'll give you a small example. Yesterday evening, my wife tricked me into going to her mother's place. I was in no mood to do that. Now, I usually am very quiet. I become extremely quiet. But I saw in the Dagdha Rashi, 3rd house and 6th house. In most software.
Yes,
like,
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You have the burning symbol. Saptarishis app also has it.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have Saptarishis app, there's a beautiful app called Ephemeris, which is for
I
Windows.
use ephemeris only. It shows
Yeah.
it through a fire symbol, and I usually
Fire
use it in the Prashna.
Right. Okay. In both the apps, Saptarishis Astrology has been instrumental in getting all this implemented. We have always been behind the scenes in many areas because that's a technique I use. I require that. So I saw 3rd house and 6th house having Dagdha Rashi. Anyway, I knew I had to keep quiet. Yet I made a comment and I hated going over there. My wife tricked me. Okay. My brother-in-law manipulated. Come for 5 minutes. Then dinner and all that. And I made knowing astrology, I made a stupid comment to my brother-in-law's wife, whom I was meeting after 7 years. They were out of town all these years. Okay. So I said to her, hey, have you grown taller or have I become shorter? Incidentally, of course, she laughed and everybody. Okay. And all these years, last 13 years, I haven't spoken to her. Even in all our family gatherings, I see to it that I don't speak to the women folk. Incidentally, the next day, my wife tells me, see how Dagdha Rashi is happening. 3rd house, you have Dagdha Rashi. 6th house, you have Dagdha Rashi. 6th house is relatives. 3rd house is communication. Correct? So in spite of knowing that I should keep my trap shut, I made a nice comment. Just a joking, humorous comment. Okay? Incidentally, my brother-in-law's wife is actually tall, very tall. And she hates that she's tall. And I didn't know this. 10, 14 years or whatever, 10 years or 12 years, I know her. But this fact, I did not know. Today my wife said, I said, my God, that means I insulted her. मैंने उसके दुखती नस पे हाथ रखा. Are you getting it? I